Meaning of gaboon.
gaboon,
Gaboon.
gaboon,
Gaboon. Gaboon is a term that can refer to multiple things depending on context. It may be used to describe the gaboon viper, a venomous snake species found in Africa with distinctive markings and large fangs. Additionally, it can be a reference to the Gabonese Republic, a country located on the west coast of Africa known for its rainforests and diverse wildlife. Finally, Gabon may also be used as a more general term to describe something or someone from Gabon. Overall, the meaning of gaboon is rooted in African geography and wildlife.